What's up, everybody? Mr. Ball back at it with another special. A couple of items for you. For one, the off-brand battery. I just have the 18 volt here. It's not going to focus in. Works great. You got to know which off-brands to pick. But what I wanted to talk to you about, today, let me stretch over all this stuff. I wanted to talk about the brad nailer. Hey, darling. Anyway, I use this thing for everything. When you're doing something basic with the brad nailer, you want to have the small light battery on. You don't want to put a big old 9 volt or a 6 volt battery on here. Makes it heavier. It's already heavy enough. Anyway, let me show you what I did. But that's what I did with the brad nailer. You see that? You don't have to worry about measuring and getting the old level out and doing the screws and all that good stuff. Uh-oh, Sam. Sam's upset. You just get the brad nailer out, you just go. But you just tack it up with the brad nailer. And it's perfect. The good thing is you put one tack there, you make it straight, you're good to go. What else did I do with the brad nailer? I hung up the family pictures with the brad nailer. No need to worry about putting the screw back there and trying to figure out where the screw is going to go. All you do is hold it up, tack it, hold it up, tack it. You can get it perfect every time because you hold it and tack it. You don't have to worry about putting holes in your wall and where it's going to be. So anyway, when you have the brad nailer, you can do pretty much anything with it. So I have, these are the, I forgot, 1.5 inch, and then these are the 2 inch right here. 2 inch, 1.5. Perfect. Use it for everything. I actually used it to nail up a couple of boards. One of the boards, what did I use it for? Oh, that was the old fence, that's right. The old fence, one of the boards was coming down, so I used it for that. But yeah, I mean, to make anything sturdy, all you gotta do is get it going. Bam! Love using this thing for everything except what it's intended for. This thing works wonders. Look at that. If you have a board that's loose, it's not. I'm just showing you for example. Go ahead and use this. Bam. Get you about 10 of those in there. That's going to be super sturdy. That's what I did with this wagon. So, painted this wagon, but see, these wood pieces here, they were all wobbly and all that good stuff. All I did was put some brad nails in there and then painted it. Now it's super sturdy, it's good to go. I tightened these up a little bit. And yeah, again, a random quick video. Another thing I didn't know until about last year is, you see this tip on here? You have another tip too, just to let you know. So if you didn't know, here's the regular tip that I love. This is a tip too. I didn't really pay attention to this, but you can slip this off and put it on the tip. So there's your secondary tip if you didn't know. Let's get a thumbnail on this. Ryobi cycle, 4-cycle. Yes, the Ryobi blower. What else? Everything's Ryobi in here. Ryobi, everything, everywhere. Other brands too. One of my favorite lights. If Ryobi had a small $100 generator, I'd buy it too, just like I bought that Stormcat. That's the newest. Anyway, randomness. Just wanted to show you what we have here. And that is the brad nailer. Oh, let me show you what I did with the shelves and the brad nailer. Look at this. See this shelf right here? Boom, boom, sturdy. Look at that. Brad nails. At a 45 or 40 degree angle. I can't remember what it did. Anyway, bam. You see that? Just tacked it up. And it works. See? Those shelves right there? Brad nails. I probably could have got away with 3 brad nails on each side. I put 10 because I didn't know if I was going to put weight on it. But look at that. It is super sturdy. It's not going to fall. You are good to go. Anyway, that's it. I'm going to stop rambling on and try to find another video to make in a couple days. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.